Hello students, today we are going to have experiment that is related to single phase transformer, and the aim of the experiment is to calculate efficiency of single phase transformer by direct loading. So here first we will see what are the different apparatus we are going to use. The first apparatus is single phase transformer. So this is the transformer. You can see there are two transformer we kept, but we will work on this transformer only, and the rating is given in the table. Okay, so you can see what is the rating, that is 3 kVA and 230 by 230 volt transformer, 1:1 transformer. Okay, then next what is of my apparatus, that is this load, that is called lamp load. So by switching on this lamp we can connect the load at the secondary side of the transformer. And the third one, what we are going to have the apparatus is the watt meter, and this clamp meter, this is called the clamp meter, which we are going to use for the wattage calculation, wattage measurement. Okay, so we have to keep it in off position when we are not using it, and after that we can see this is the mode at which we can calculate, we can measure the voltage, next current, and this is for the kilowatt measurement, that is called what, wattage measurement. And we have to measure this wattage, so we will use the clamp meter in this mode only. Okay, and these are the different probes which we have to connect across the terminals. So this is my transformer, this tabs shows the primary and this tabs shows the secondary. Okay, so here these two terminals will be used for the primary reading and these two terminals will be used for the secondary reading, right. So these are the different apparatus. Next, moving for the procedure. So in the procedure part we have started, switched on the transformer, and we have connected the probes of the clamp meter across the primary. So first we will measure what is the reading at wattage side of the primary when it is connected with no load, the secondary is not connected. Okay, so first we will see that what is the wattage meter. So we have connected it and let's switch on it, and we have to measure the power. So we have taken the mode to the power, and now this is the reading of the primary side, that is coming as 0.04 kilowatts. Okay, and now it is in no load condition, so that's why this reading is from the primary side. So now in the similar way we can have the check of the secondary reading, that what is the power taken at the secondary side when it is connected at no load. So I have connected the probes in the secondary terminal, and let's measure that what is the reading coming. So this is the reading at the secondary side, which is 0 kilowatts because it is not connected with the load. So as you can see in the secondary side, the load is connected and half of the load is switched on. At that time we will see that what is the watt meter reading at the secondary. So this is the watt meter reading. The value is coming as 1.53 kilowatts at secondary side. So at the same condition, what will be the power taken at the primary side? So here we are connecting with the primary. So the reading is coming as 1.61 kilowatts. So this is the second reading what we are taking at the half load connected. Next we will see what is the reading at full load. So the last section when we are completely connected the load to the secondary side, that is the full load case. So in this case you can see lamps are switched on, and now we will see what is the reading of wattage at the secondary. So this is the reading at wattage, 2.67 kilowatts at the secondary side, and the reading at primary side is coming as, so the reading at the primary side is 2.85 kilowatts. So this is the observation table. First column is about the load, whether we are connected in no load, half load or full load. Second is input power at the primary side, output power at the secondary side, and the efficiency, that is the ratio of output by input. So first we have taken the reading at no load. So we have seen the input power was coming as 0.04 kilowatts. Okay, and for the half load, this is the reading for primary input power, secondary output power. We can take the ratio depicting output by input power. So this is the efficiency in percentage. Similarly for full load, input power and output power, and the efficiency calculation by having the ratio. So in this manner we have to make the observation table. So the result is the efficiency of single phase transformer has been observed at different loads. So this is the completion of this experiment. Thank you.